Dedication of Willard Marak, assistant teacher towards his profession, had enhanced the children of Balijan LP School. APHLC staged a protest against the Assam Direct Recruitment Commission for Grade 3 and Grade 4 posts at Deepu. APHLC Haraghat LA postponed the schedule for mass joining program cum awareness program on 6th schedule. Good morning, viewers. You're watching KAL Live English Prime Time with Julie Baby. Now let's look into the news and details. Newly appointed assistant teacher Willard Marak at Balijan LP School, Lokhan Hanse village, falling under Nilip constituency, had enhanced the children and garnered praises from the parents and guardians of the children. To provide basic knowledge and education to the villagers of Lokhan Hanse village, English medium lower primary school was established at a village by the KAL Autonomous Council. But due to the pandemic and less number of students enrolled in the school was shut down for nearly 3 years. Hence, to revive and uplift all the government LP, ME and HS schools, the concerned authority of KAL Autonomous Council had reshuffled all the teachers across the district. Likewise, during this mega reshuffling, Willard Marak was appointed to Balijan English LP School as an assistant teacher. Willard Marak joined the school on 12 May. Due to the hard work and dedication towards his profession, he had garnered praises from the parents and guardians of the children within a short period of time. Parents of the children, while speaking to us, informed that after Marak joined the school as an assistant teacher, the number of students enrolled had increased and the students are found to be slightly improved. Now, they no longer have to worry about sending their children to faraway places for basic learning.
Kinola sesar bang ke ani bang ta bang lehe ke ani bang ta bang pe somata ki dun ta ning hanglo la somata le ong mucha pen ke.
Willard Marak, while speaking to us, informed that he had joined recently at the month of May. He is the only sole teacher currently appointed at a school, and the total number of students enrolled is 27, ranging from class 1 to 4. He also informed that the work for providing midday meals to the student is underway and it would be available soon.
Aunte gom paise je school to 3 বছৰ মান বন্ধ হৈছিলে লকডাউন আৰু এনেকা কিবা কাৰণে এতিয়া মানে মই বৰ্তমান একজন সিঙ্গল টিচাৰ আছে আৰু ষ্টুডেন্টটো মোৰ ইন টোটাল এনৰলমেন্ট হৈছে 27 আৰু এতিয়া মোৰ কাৰণে ডেস্ক বেঞ্চটো অলপ শৰ্ট হৈ আছে আৰু মিডডে মিল আৰু কিবা এটো বেংকৰ কামটো অলপ বাকি আছে.
He appeals the concerned authority of KAL Autonomous Council, Richard Dogby, EM in charge of education, KAL Autonomous Council, and Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM of KAC, to appoint more teachers to the school. Samson Ingtis report from Koilamati for KAL Live. On 14th of September at around 10:30 a.m., APHLC staged a protest against the KAL Autonomous Council for their negligence in the Assam Direct Recruitment Commission for Grade 3 and Grade 4 posts at Ru Samson Singh Memorial Park, Deepu. The Assam government had recently conducted a direct recruitment examination for Grade 3 and Grade 4 to fill up all the vacant posts in all the respective departments. Therefore, the vacancies for the districts falling under KAL Autonomous Council is specifically reserved for its citizens. But KAC failed to utilize its autonomy to conduct separate recruitment drive examination, although it falls under 6th schedule of the Indian Constitution. KAC neglected its autonomy and just followed the instruction from the state government. APHLC leaders, while speaking to us, informed that CEM, MP, MLA endured the exploitation from the state government. Therefore, there is a certainty that all the job vacancies would be filled with non-tribals under 6th schedule areas.
Jakong masih abi, 3rd grade, 4th grade, ajakong, boreng kita ajakong anda abi polokang de tum council ke do pia lelo. Labang enoi tum charjuna ko poba tum EMCM tum mana arjuna ko po. Lasi alang itu man ki pugang tum ke lain lo, nale tum sumet khang ajakong kacel jakai he ke lake kilu hektik lo kachini ne hektik lo lapen karbi mate inglong asofan kaching hon hektik ke hektin nai bang lo posinil tum APHLC ahir petame condemn lo.
Parents work selflessly to educate their children with an aspiration to acquire suitable job under KAC. But these aspirations could alter into disappointment if all the jobs, irrespective of the positions, are appointed to non-tribals under 6 scheduled areas in the days to come.
Inglong ang kaitungan sila ilitong long ng G lapen 3rd grade 4th grade anda nang li appointment ki PGM jakong nang li Dakar biang long autonomous council anta nang li power to exercise.
News X report for Karbi Anglong Live. APHLC Haragat Legislative Assembly for Mass Joining Come 6 Schedule Awareness Program, which was scheduled to be held on 20th September, is now postponed to 11 October. This statement was made official by Robi Singh Ronghang, General Secretary of APHLC Harakat LE, during a press conference called on 13 September. Ronghang, while briefing the media, informed that APHLC Harakat Legislative Assembly had scheduled to host a mass joining program come 6 schedule awareness program on 20th September. But due to several circumstances, the event, which was scheduled to be held on 20th September, would now take place on 11 October at Denarong Playground. Ronghang also informed that one of the main reasons behind the postponement of the date is due to the forthcoming annual celebration of Jonal Karbi Youth Festival. On 11th of October, nearly 2,000 families from different political parties would merge with the APHLC party, says Robi Singh Ronghang, General Secretary of APHLC.
Kengkam nanga chijor dunji pu kapre ka political party pen nanga chingbi dunji report ke longa tengke bangsuri sibak dunji pusi report long lase hala bangsuri si armu agat akorte injira tum sitame ningbi nangne etum claim rong rapet long pola so episode sia kaje song lo.
Samsung English report from Dongmuka, Karbi Anglong Live. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a great day.